There are numerous factors, but avoiding them is not difficult. I can share 3 points. With our extensive experience in the material processing industry, we can provide insights into the daily routines of our CNC department, which we have accumulated over the years. The first is material procurement. Try to choose pre-stretched material, which is T651 material. Many customers choose T68 when purchasing, and after processing, the deformation is quite severe. Pre-stretched material with strong grains can minimize the amount and probability of deformation during processing. Secondly, if the product needs high rigidity or has a small processing volume, do not rush to use the material after it arrives. Instead, check the flatness of the board using a needle-type evaluator. If the budget is not enough, you can also use a sieve ruler on a marble platform for inspection. Ensure proper cooling during tool processing. Don't assume that while processing, you must continuously spray at the knife head as if you were cutting supper. Depending on amount consumed, speed and processing position, contact surface between tool and material may not be adequately cooled and could potentially result in deformation during the processing phase. To avoid it, you can also use this method of eating less and cutting quickly to reduce the deformation rate. If there are deformations, consider plastic surgery.